Hello, welcome to Gotham Sound TV. My name is Nate, and today we're going to be going over routing options and adjusting levels on the Deity Theos wireless receiver and transmitter.
By default, the RX1 and RX2 are routed to outputs A and B respectively. You also have the option to route outputs A and B to contain both RX1 and RX2 together. If you want to do this, you can also route output B to monitor.
This would be helpful if you wanted to run two channels of wireless into a single channel of a recorder or camera directly.
On the D2RX, we can adjust the levels of output A and output B by going to Menu, then Level, select the output you want to adjust, and move up or down in 1 decibel increments. Also, if you have output B routed to monitor, you can adjust the listening volume on this menu as well. Now over on the DBTX, it is crucial to select your level before adjusting gain. Go to Menu, then Level. Here, you'll see you have two mic options at 3 volts and 5 volts power, as well as line.
It's important to choose a lower power option if you're sending this signal to a recorder with a built-in preamp, as you don't want to overdrive your track.
Once you have set your level, it's time to go back to the gain menu. Here, you can adjust the gain of the input up or down using the arrow buttons in increments of 3 decibels.
Now that your gain and levels are where they need to be, the sound should be crisp and clear. Check us out on Gotham Sound TV for a playlist on more basics on setting up the Deity Theos.